And thus, his triumph complete in spite of so many dangers, our glorious Duke on Christmas Day in London town was crowned king. And now, this just man, William the Powerful, William the Prosperous, William the Conqueror, rules over the whole kingdom of England.
But was Hastings the end of the story? No. It took 4 more years before William truly ruled over the whole kingdom of England. But his achievement was remarkable. His army of just 10,000 faced a hostile population of 2 million Saxons. How did he succeed against such odds?
The Saxons were brave and warlike, but they had very few of those fortifications which the Normans call castles in their land. It was this that made them weak, quite unable to stand up to their conquerors.
It's simple. You ride in fast, set fire to their villages, a little terror, a little sword play, they're quaking in their shoes, petrified, which gives you the time you need to raise a castle. 3 weeks if you push hard. By which time maybe they've got their thoughts together, maybe brewing a small counterattack, planning some mild rebellion, but it's too late, because there's this castle on the skyline and we're watching their every move, safe as houses. And soon as that district's under control, the castle's our base for the next push forward, until like a spider's web we cover the land with a castle at every junction, and the Saxon has nowhere to run.
Didn't the Saxons ever fight back? Of course.